Hello everyone. Are you looking for accurate signals in Forex and COMEX market? Then I am here to provide you a solution. With my help, you will get to know that how our Elite plan can help you in that. So there are 6 pillars which are making our Elite plan unique. Number 1, we have dual expertise in Forex and COMEX market. Number 2, advanced technologies and real-time insights. Number 3, comprehensive risk management. Number 4, seamless integration across platforms. Number 5, personalized support and expert guidance. And last but not least, number 6, unmatched market access and liquidity. So let's discuss these pointers in detail now. Let's talk about dual expertise in Forex and COMEX market. So here, we are not only bounded with one single segment of currencies, but including that currencies, we are doing our research for the commodities as well. This will help you to diversify your investment with a proper risk management across these two liquid markets. Point number 2, advanced technology and real-time insights. Now, what do you mean by that? So here, we are not only bounded with the technical analytical information, but apart from that, we are also cross-checking the real-time insights of market, like the economical factors, the news. And because of these two research-based things, we are providing the most accurate signals in this industry. Point number 3, comprehensive risk management. What do we understand by risk management? So here, as I have explained, that we are focusing on two markets, that is Forex and COMEX. So it will not only help you to diversify your portfolio, but also it will help you to manage your risk in a proper way. Here, we are not only giving you a stop loss from our side, which will fix your losses, and even if you are making any kind of losses, you can easily recover that. But apart from that, we are giving you a strategical idea about managing the risk that is known as hedging. Which means even if one market is not performing well, let's say Forex is giving you any kind of losses, so with the help of profitability in commodity market, you can manage your portfolio in a very well manner. Do you know what? Risk small, grow tall and profit through it all. Point number 4, seamless integration across platform. We will be helping you out to find the best platform which will be providing you to trade in both the markets, Forex and COMEX, with an easy deposit and withdrawal. Point number 5, personalized support and expert guidance. You will have a dedicated account manager to guide you every step of your trading journey with one-to-one support. Point number 6, unmatched market access and liquidity. We have market expertise who are CMT and CFA qualified. With the help of them, you can get the most accurate signals for Forex and COMEX segment. Thank you for watching the video. If you found the value in this video, then please like, share and hit the subscribe button. Stay updated for our latest content.